What's up, guys? So in my last video, I tore out these walls right here and I talked about how I was gonna be putting up new walls for my future bathroom. So as you can see, I've got a chalk line drawn out right here, right now. That's what I'm gonna be working on first. And then you can see right here, I've got all my 2x4s that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be cutting that with this saw, and I'm gonna be using a nail gun that I just bought for framing, so that's gonna be fun. That'll be a lot easier than doing it with a screwdriver or a hammer. It'll just be quicker, so. You can see the aftermath of some of the demolition here, but yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be working on right now. And let's get started.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. As you can see, we got all the walls finished today. We got all the studs done, and so now I'm going to start working on the plumbing and electrical. But that's kind of like a little bit at a time because I got to work on getting my vanity, so I figure out where my outlets are going to go and things like that. So getting a plumber out here so he can tie into the pre-existing plumbing, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate that, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, guys.